Hello roller skaters. This episode is about a move that I am calling around the world. If you know another name for this, I would love to hear it. This is I would call it a dance move, but you could also use this as just a good kind of agility move as well. So I'm going to start turning to the left because that's my more natural turning direction, and we'll do it that way. So the first part of this is I'm going to scissor toe heel, like a toe heel manual with the right heel and left toe, and then switch, and then turn, quarter turn, and push the toes out. And then I'm going to quarter turn to the left onto that right heel, left toe, switch, quarter turn, again, toes point out. So it's quarter turn, quarter turn. So we're going to be going right, left, push out, right, left, push out, right, left, push out, right, left, push out. So over time, as you become more balanced in this part of it, you would lift the toe wheels and do like a heel manual. I would wait till you feel really steady before you try that. But if you do that, it has a little bit more flair to it. So we'll be going left, right, push out, left,
oh yeah,
right, quarter
way
turn,
cooler.
push out, left, right, quarter turn, push out. And you just keep going around the world. Let's try it the other way. If you can do it both ways, then it allows you to switch it up more in different ways. So going to the right, I will heel toe, right heel forward, left toe back, switch, and quarter turn. And again, quarter turn, switch, switch, quarter turn, switch, push, quarter turn, switch, quarter turn. And keep going until you feel the balance to do the little heel manual as you go along. So the count of this is like a 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so we're going like 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And
Nice.
play with that, because if you can, switch it up and go both ways, I think it just offers a different way to be agile and to keep moving around in a very small space. Like you see, you could do this pretty much anywhere. Like in like one square of the sidewalk almost, you could do this. So it's something anyone can practice. And if you know another name, I would like to hear it. So please put it in the comments below, and please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.